we ran into a roadblock, literally a roadblock. Well, one of us tried to run through the roadblock. But yeah, we ran into a roadblock and they won't let us go through their gates. It's a gated community.
To get to the other side.
To get to the other side, which is Forest Road, which we think is illegal because we pay taxes for that road.
Right.
So we should have access to get to the Forest Road. And they're saying no, the only people that have access are the U.S. Forest Service. Yeah. That's wrong. What that done is put a kink in our deal. Now we're looking at having to hike the whole 13-mile hike, which is a highly elevated hike for us in so-so weather that's not going to hold out a whole lot for us. So we're arguing about how we're going to do it. Are we going to do it tomorrow? Can we do some of it today? That's kind of where we stand.
Oh my God!
And the brain trust is over here.
The brain trust. So Kim,
isn't that how it comes?
Yeah.
tell me about what's happening today.
Oh.
Wait,
Well,
we got to listen from Kim's
The
perspective.
story is actually that Mountain Rose was right, and everyone
Wait,
else
Mountain
was
Rose
wrong.
is, yes.
She was right.
Yes.
She was
About
right.
what?
And Allie Quest is gonna obviously have to lose her trail name.
Oh no.
Because-
Alley Quest is good.
Because I did not get this road closure business.
Alley Quest is an awesome navigator. and
Alley
she's
Quest
still
is a
in-
big fail.
She's still in charge of navigation. However, I'm in charge of planning the overnight trips from now on. We should have spent the night on the trail.
Oh, my
And that's
God.
all there is to do.
Yes.
I was outvoted and
She
cried
was right.
for days.
You know,
All right. Oh, wait.
This whole
So,
last week,
come on over here.
wait.
This
Wait. Last week, I was like, oh, please get colder this weekend, because if it doesn't, she's going to be right.
So-
I could have done it.
So a little bit of backstory to this. Today, we were originally going to do an overnight for a 13-mile hike at 5,600 feet. It was a little high, but because of the weather, we decided to split it into two parts. However, that's not going to work because they won't let us do that road up there. Well, I tried to barrel my way through, but didn't work too well. So at this point, we came back down the road. We met in this parking lot. Well, let's just do the 2 miles, get it off the schedule for
It's not
tomorrow.
just
Then
2
we have an
miles.
11-mile hike, which was
It'll
what we
be a
had last week.
5-mile day.
No, we're going to leave the
No,
car
we're
either.
going to leave a car at either end.
Oh, okay.
We
Never mind.
don't have to go up in and out.
Okay. All right.
We're
So.
shortening our hike.
Okay, the absolutely worst road yet on the Appalachian Trail. There's a turnaround point.
This is definitely, I want to be in camera. This is definitely not the worst road we've ever been on.
You think we should be on this road?
So here's the question. Just like you guys said, road or trail? What do you mean? Road or trail?
Well, now we know it's a road.
Yeah, but look at this picture.
So which way are we going to be coming from?
This way.
This way?
No, wait.
Or are we coming from that way?
Which way are we coming from?
We're coming from Sam's Gap, which is that way.
Okay, so we'll be coming down to here.
Right. And,
And then-
tomorrow we're coming here, we're going that way to Spivey.
Okay.
And Spivey